Dah. Dah start live.
Okay.
Okay, testing. Oh my god. Part 3 pula. Main pindah-pindah pula
Hai.
kita. Hai. Dah tu ada orang ni. Hai. Okay. Hello Sochi.
Hai Sochi.
Hello. Ha. At least saya tidak macam bukan sacrifice apa je? Macam mana? Terseksa seorang-seorang. Awak ada teman.
Okay, bye-bye.
Tak yalah. Janganlah. Ayo. Okay. Damn. Sorry korang sampai part 3 dah kita buat. Tadi YouTube buat hal. Kita pergi ke TikTok balik.
Tinggi awak.
Ha?
Tinggi awak.
Tak start lagi. Sabar. Tak masuk lagi. TikTok ke YouTube. YouTube ke TikTok balik. Ya parah ni ya. Ya. Sakit hati lah hari ni. Ya kita baru start ya. Sekarang korang boleh tap screen. Sila tap screen. Titik. Tak nak miss lagi. Ayo. Tap. Ni dah main ni. Korang dah ajak main game Forgotten Memories. Ni lah. Bagi like sekarang. Sekejap
Okay,
awak.
dah set dah.
Saya tengah loading. Sekejap
Just your time, it's okay.
Ya. Saya cuma nak dengar suara menjerit tu je. Aduh. Headphone dah tak boleh main. Nak slowkan lah.
Dari tercapai tu I make room.
Ya, agak emosi sikit lah. Music box? Thank you Aiman for the heart me. Ya, music box apa ni? Wow. Press any button, okay. Ya. Dah tekan button, okay. Takutlah, bab-bab FNAF ni takutlah. Double sound? Double sound. Sekejap. Test. Tak ada apa dah kan? Okay. Mari kita main. Dah bos. Damn. Nah, kita main horror hari ni. Okay, single sound. Okay dah. Jom. Mana?
Tercapai. Masih join.
Oh, play. Miss ke story lah kan?
Yep. Jo.
Thought. Travis kot.
Okay, tiga ready. Yang warna hijau tu. Let's go!
Yosh.
Oh, okay. Ini air.
Okay.
Toilet break.
Okay. Toilet break. Sekejap.
I'm back.
Okay, I'm
I'm
back.
back.
Yeah. You. Ui.
We got cutscene.
You.
Oh.
Wow. Oh no, ada sound lagi.
Pretty sure we're almost there.
Something just doesn't feel right about this whole thing.
Yeah, I'm just not sure about this.
Well, look, we already signed up, and there's no point in turning back now. Plus, it's a pretty simple job considering the fact that I'm trying to save up for a
Boleh
new...
dengar suara kat awak?
Yeah, for a new whip.
Alah.
I know.
Didn't mean to flex how much more money I have.
Huh? You and your whopping bank account total of $5,000?
Okay, dah okay dah suara.
okay.
5,000 more than you're rolling with.
Ayo.
Really?
Me and you both know, bro.
Ugh, can you guys shut up already? And I think that's the place.
Yikes. Looks like Todd's house.
This
Sige,
place
sedun
really
kau.
did go downhill. Huh.
Yep, I guess so.
Cuba.
Sebentar accident. Ai. Cantiknya. Wow.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello PN. Hello. Welcome yang baru masuk. Okay. Takut ni. Thank you for the share live. Oh my god. Okay.
What? No
Bruh.
Those animals look haunted.
Perempuan eh?
Yeah.
Oh, saya lelaki. Terbalik pula.
Mana phone? Bising ah.
Sis, itulah. Sini kat dalam.
Oh ni.
Hello.
Oh.
Welcome to your first night. I'd like to congratulate you on the behalf of Tony's Tacos on earning your position here as security personnel. We know it's a big deal, so don't worry. We'll make sure you're equipped with the right tools necessary to complete this job. So with that being said, let's get you acquainted. First of all, in your office, there are two important things to know. Number one, your computer. or otherwise known as your security camera. Tapping into your computer should allow you to access your security cameras, which were placed strategically throughout the facility. I do want to tell you though that these security cameras do not cover every inch. I mean, there are plenty of blind spots. 2 important blind spots actually lie right outside your doors. This means that you won't be able to see outside of your doors if they are closed. Now, this brings us to our next important piece of discussion. Your blast doors. These were installed primarily for your security. We do realize that you are working a job which has its risks, so in case anything happens, you're being chased, or somebody's trying to break in, you can close these blast doors, make sure that your safety is your priority. Now, these blast doors aren't anything to play with. They're not toys. They are highly dangerous.
Wih, seramnya. Put Israel on a
So if you
string.
don't plan to run out of power and keep the lights on, then keep those doors open. Now, 1 at a time works, but 2 at a time is too much for our generators to handle. So please, be careful. Now that made...
Matilah.
Tekan like. Kenapa? Terkejut saya. Kenapa?
So, you disconnected.
Sabar. Terkejut.
the entire restaurant. This is going to come in
Oh,
handy whenever you need to
disconnected.
locate something. Now, there
Alamak.
should be alarm lights installed on that TV screen.
Bawa
These
balik.
alarm lights will only...
No. You be alone. You be alone.
No. Apa benda awak ni?
You're already in there. Just stay.
No, I'm not playing alone. Dah keluar dah.
Not. Apa awak ni? There's a good chance.
Hey, takut ke? Mana ada takut. Tak nak tinggalkan awak ke belakang dah.
Alasan, I don't mind. You know that.
I know you.
Ayuh, okay, aku.
No, wifi awak. Ya, alah kesian ayam. Takkanlah dia tak ada pula. Dia ada dalam ni. Takkanlah awak tak boleh main dengan saya. Awak kena main dengan saya sebab saya keluar sekali. Thank you Nene for the heartbeat. Thank you. Sorry Sakura batuk sikit hari ni. We play team, yeah. Thank you for the repost semua. Thank you for the share like juga. Macam biasa siapa nak hantar social bus masih ada dekat link Sakura. Korang boleh hantar social bus. Okay? Boleh hantar. Sila. Aku tak nampak skrin tu pula. Sikit lah. Hey! Mana ada penakut? Mana ada? Okay.
Sibuk je.
Ya, boleh pin komen TikTok. Cumanya TikTok tak pin nama macam YouTube. Leceh sikit kat situ. Ya.
Come on. Nampaknya.
Take your time. Tak apa.
Jom.
Okay. Tak boleh tak apa tau. Take your time, okay?
Jadinya.
Okay. Jom. Okay.
Dah ready kan?
Ya, kita skip lah.
Ya.
Skip intro. Kita dah tengok dah tadi. Yosh.
Semua tu lah kena dengar lagi Mamat terjaping kat phone tu. Aduh, boring tu.
Yeah. Aika! Hello Aika! Thank you for the iced tea, Aika. Thank you.
Mon.
Hello, yeah, hello
Okay.
Aika. It's nice to see you here. Hey, yeah. I hope this stream goes well juga lah. Hari tu tak okey. Waalaikumsalam, ya. Press A or sprint interact.
Aduh, ni dia.
Oh,
Hello.
it smells so bad in here.
No, you... No, I was your character. Tak pernah.
Oh. Tak apalah, it's okay lah. Tak sempat tadi. Dia suruh start.
Sorry.
Tak apa.
Sorry, tak ada pun.
Skip terus dah kot. Anyway.
Alright. Tapi objektifnya apa?
Dah. Sekejap. Lama yang tak join live Sakura. Ya. Mana like-nya? Tak usah ikut awak.
Dah ikut. Sebab I'm confused on what we're supposed to do.
Ya,
Kau tak battery?
ya, bateri ni kita ada limit je. Limit je kita punya
Okay, so
flashlight.
gitu.
Macam tak bantu je flashlight ni, tak nampak apa-apa.
Biasa tu horror game.
Ya. Okay, sorok macam ni. Memang tak nampak. Tak apa. Ni apa tu? Okay. Sekejap. Quality kot. Sekejap. Ya, still sama.
Tak lah. Okay lah.
Oh, what the? What the? Why?
Damn.
Oh, I have hearts. Aika, thank you. Thank you for the scare.
Yeah, what?
Yeah. What the heck? Thank you for this.
I thought it'd be
I
worse.
don't know bagi gift.
No, not you. Yang before that. What do you say?
I don't know.
No, tadi you have one word.
No. Tak ada. Tak ada apa-apa tadi. Just jerit je tadi.
No, after the screen. You have one word. Kau lupa ke?
Tak. Tadi dia keluar Freddy tu je.
Okay.
Dia bagi tahu Freddy tu. Tak apa, it's okay. Untuk langsir macam mana nak tutup? Oh, okay. Okay.
That's about for it.
Tutup. Okay, sebaik.
Oh.
Coordinator on this way. Okay. Ni kena survive ni. Oh, ni tutup. Okay. Faham. Rasanya kita macam dulu tu lah. Yang kita main dengan Rina dengan Rez tu. Make sure jangan dia masuk ke office. Dia macam kita main Godzilla tu.
Oh.
Cuba check kamera. Okay. Ya, dia macam main game Godzilla. Okay, so far tak ada apa-apa lagi.
Bagi Godzilla tu, we need to collect something. We nak collect apa?
Yang ni kita just survive rasanya. Survive ke Hadi? Tak apa, Hadi ni tahu ni. Hehehe, thank you Hadi.
Oh, right.
Ya. Thank you Hadi nak guide. Survive ha. Ya, survive. This will survive je. 2
Okay.
jam.
Allah.
Awak datang balik.
Thank you, Adi.
Mm-mm.
If I know how to come back.
Okay. Oh, ni map dia. Where's the jump? Fix tu? Oh, fix. Okay. Oh, okay dah. Bye Sakura. Okay, thank you Sachi for joining. Tak apa. Thank you tau. Hello Sakura.
Thank you
Hello
for joining,
Ruby.
Sophie.
Yeah. Welcome juga yang baru masuk. Enjoy the stream, okay? And thank you for the gift tau, yang bagi gift. Yeah, happy streaming. Thank you. Okay.
I'm lost.
Turn off. Oh no. What the heck? What the heck? Ni dulu mana?
Oh, hi.
Oh, sekejap. Okay. Oh, Cherry!
Bukan.
Hello!
Okay.
Come. Hello, Cherry. Ingat ke tengok ada tamat rupanya sama kat TikTok? Ya, sama kat TikTok. Pergi arcade. Kita... Okay, ni office. Jauhnya arcade. Oh my god.
Yang mana arcade?
Kena fix something kat arcade. Ada masalah kat arcade tu. Ada 2 masalah.
2?
Tu nampak merah tu. 3 lah. Kat arcade dengan party service. Nampak kat map.
Aduh. I go to your parts and service.
Ya, siap. Tengok tu.
Apa?
5 pagi.
Oh.
Oh, kita selamat.
We did it.
Yay!
It's so nice.
Yeah. Hello, Cherries. Nice to see you here. At least we survive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay. Cukup lah tu. Okay, faham dah sekarang. Faham game tu macam mana. Faham. Yeah. Ophelia. Kita pernah main kot Ophelia.
Really?
Saya pernah dengar Ophelia ni.
Oh.
Ya, cuma tak stream lah. Ya. Oh, ni dah crawl lobby cukup lah satu game. Game puzzle tapi seram. Oh, I see. Eh. Dah kira night 3, night 4 dah ke?
No,
Thank
itu
you,
habis
Cherry,
game.
for the heart me. Oh, I
Itu
see.
habis game. Let's play hard mode.
No! No.
Why not?
No.
That was way too easy, bro. How's that fun?
Naik berapa
Oh,
ni?
there's another map. Okay, now we play night 2. Jom.
Oh my god.
Jom, sah.
Okay. Night 2. Jap. Alah, tak jadi member dah awak ni.
Okay, fine.
Tekuk orang pula. Sorry.
Tentang member je perempuan. Let me be a fanboy for once.
Thank you, Cherry, for the popular. 4 popular Cherry bagi. Thank you. Di parts and service. Okay, ada Cika. Night tu ada Cika kat parts and service.
Thank you.
Kita kena
Do you
banyak
know,
tengok map lah.
do you know anything about Chica?
Cika suka pizza. That's all I know.
Well, thank you for the useful information.
Night 2. Hadi.
Are you sure Chica? That was not Chica.
Itu dia tu. Cika ke tu?
Chica, awak tahu Chica MI1 kan?
I know. Half a map, okay.
Let's get this
Oh my god.
Hello, welcome back. Good to see you. I'm sure your last night was a learning experience. Tonight you should be more efficient, knowing the area, knowing your surroundings. You should be able to get places quickly. With that being said, your duties remain the same as last night. Continue to monitor your power and oxygen levels, as those are critical for your survival. Malfunctions are bound to occur, so make sure those shoelaces are tied, because you're going to be running. Just make it till 6 a.m. and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, have a nice night.
Have a nice night. Otak dia. Okay, where are you?
Masih kat
Okay,
office.
jom.
Okay.
Jom. Yeah.
Kita ke mana?
Jom tu. Cepat. Jom, apa tu? Okay. Go. Could I say something? There's like that bunny thing walking.
Oh. Kau cakap!
Jom. Oh damn. So I can invite you?
I am not getting paid enough.
Dah, okay dah, okay. I have 2 more nyawa.
Oh nice.
I don't care, I don't trust you. I don't trust you, the box ni, nah. Okay, ada apa-apa problem ke kat map? Map tak ada problem lagi. Kita kena survive je sekarang ni. Kalau ada rosak baru kita pergi.
Tapi awak pun masa hari tu, awak make sure tekan button sprint tu, okay? Rasanya tak tekan tadi.
Itulah tu, dia tak berfungsi tadi. Sekejap.
Tak fungsi? That's a huge problem. Are you okay?
Okay, sekarang okay dah.
Terbaik.
Sekejap okey, sekejap tak okey. Tengok tu.
That's not nice. What the heck? That's so mean.
Ya, jap. Dah balik. Eh. Tak fungsi balik.
You know what?
Ni dah
You
okey
stay
pula.
here and I close the door if necessary, okay?
Okey.
Ataupun if you still want to come with me, you stay like, I don't know, 1 meter behind me.
Tak apa. I'll stay here.
The content though. You wanna still outside?
Yeah. It's okay. I will try to close the door ke apa for now. Jadi datang balik. Sebab nyawa dia tinggal 2 ni.
I'm just saying because you won't get my POV.
Yeah, true. Oh, arcade. Okay lah, saya ikut awak lah.
Okay, jom. Cuma stay behind me, okay? Okay.
Baru cakap! Oh my god, that was close. That was close.
Okay, you stay behind me, but jangan sampai dekat, okay? I need you to run first.
Okay.
Hey! No! I can't run! Eh!
Sama
Naik.
lah. Tadi macam tu lah.
So I can only use... Oh my god, are you for real? Okay, now I know.
Cadang.
We cannot use
Dah
flashlight
dah.
and run at the same time.
I see. Kena tunggu lagi ya. Dah cuba lari dah. Kena berpecah. Kita kena berpecah lah. Ada orang kata kita kena berpecah.
Fine. Okay.
Sekejap. Sakit hati tak lari ni. Dalam keyboard. Sekejap. Nak tukar pakai keyboard lah. Keyboard kena
Okay.
lari.
Take your time.
Tekan apa? Lari macam nak sprint. Macam nak sprint pakai
Lari
keyboard.
soalnya kan?
Shift to run. Tak. Tak boleh pun shift.
Apa tu?
What the heck? Ini apa tu? Puppet! Ada puppet!
Where is
Ada
it?
puppet!
Ni lah, kotak ni. Kod.
I try!
What's your oxygen? That's all the puppet. Eh?
Dah cuba. Kita orang boleh gaduh macam ni lah.
I thought it was your puppet.
Ya, mati dah.
How are you supposed to know?
Tak.
Oh ni ke?
Tengok awak lah.
Patutlah.
No!
Okay, let's retry.
We try ataupun kita cuba FNAF game lain yang kita main dengan Rina dengan Rez ke?
Yang tu mekaniknya lain lah.
Ya, tapi I think okay lah lagi.
Ya betul.
Tak boleh pula lah game ni ish. Sorry lah, aku stress. Hello. Dah, dengar dah kan jerit. Cukup. Susah nak habiskan lah kalau game seram ni. Aduh. No, Hadi, it's not your fault. No, it's not your fault. Ayo. Tak apa Hadi, it's not your fault. Tak apa, at least korang dapat ni lah. Ophelia. Sekejap, Ophelia. Cuba awak search Ophelia. Lagi cerita cute. Ayo. Ni lah Ophelia.
Apa nama game yang kita main dulu? Tak ingat. It was quite a while back.
Ophelia, ada orang sedang Ophelia. Kita pernah main ke Ophelia?
I don't know.
Kita main dengan Toro kan? Sekejap.
I just started Ophelia.
Hmm.
มันไม่อะไรนะพี่
Dan
Hello. How you spell it? Ophelia.
tu, I just joined.
Oh, okay.
Ya, sekejap tutup kamera. Tutup sound.
ไม่ได้ยินอ่ะไอ้พูดอะไรกันอ่ะ อยู่ในนี้แฮเสียงมันกบอ่ะ
Duduk diam.
Oh yeah, we did play the game. We did play.
Ya. Nak cuba ke kita main juga 2 orang kali ni?
You sure?
Ya.
Ataupun nak main yang game RV tu?
RV?
RV Chaos? Nak try?
Oh, ya. Tak nak cuba ni? Oh, tak ada game dah. Tak ada round dah. Kita boleh main
Nah.
lagi sekali.
Okay.
Oh, okey. Okey ke?
Sebab yang takut nanti saya. Sebab takut nanti awak bukan saya.
Awak kata saya tadi. Hello, Hazri.
Oh, shut up.
Apa?
You know how I
Awak
talk.
yang
Shut the
takut.
hell up.
Tak apa.
You, shut up.
Tak apa. At least kita boleh main lagi. At least I know how it plays. Okay, tak apa.
Awak takut je main game tadi, saya tahu. It's okay.
Mana ada. Tadi tu at least korang boleh dengar Sakura jerit. Tak apa. Cukup. Sudah. Boleh main. Boleh lah mati banyak kali. So okay lah. Okay, tak apa. Jom.
Siap main? Alamak, sekejap. Kita buat game seorang je.
Release in December? Oh, nak keluar dah chapter 4. Mana janji kamu Woman Never Scream? About that. Alana.
Kenapa?
Ada orang kata, where's your janji? Woman Never Scream.
Dah boleh masuk dah kot.
Oh, okay. Ya, hello semua. Hello Hazri. Tadi sikit je Hazri, sikit je jeritnya.
Sorry lah, sorry penakut. Sorry tu.
Mana ada?
Mana ada?
I was
Bohong.
waiting for you. I'm rather busy these last time with some things. There are several cases of disappearances in a village. We will give you more information soon, but just prepare to go there from here a few hours. That's all. You can go.
Soalnya?
Kita yang bagi recommend tadi. Tak apa. We'll do our best. Oh.
Sini kot. Betul sini.
Okay, ni untuk ni. Ni untuk lari. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me? I guess the director explained the situation. I know you are a very competent investigator, but stay on your guard. This case is really strange. Let me know if you find anything.
Tak fokus buat tengah makan. Okay. Color fragment. Okay, let's go find some color fragment.
Yeah.
Hijau, dah jumpa hijau.
Nice. Kosong, itu kosong.
Okay. Sini sana. Sekejap. TV menyala. Jumpa kuning.
Nice. Nampak bujaknya.
Flashlight ada. Hai Kak Sakura, halo.
Ini flashlight.
Ada.
Ini. Ya, ada sini, Ceng.
Oh, gelap ah. Dah. Flashlight tak
Ya,
bantu.
flashlight pun tak bantu.
Yeah. Never mind. Kenal tak Skyme? Of course lah. Taro! Guess what we're playing right now? Thanks to you, we know this game. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, man.
Nanti kita collab lagi, okay? Nanti kita main. Nanti Sakura buat live.
Mana ni? Tak nampak
Cara
pun.
lukis.
Oh, sini ke?
InsyaAllah. Iya. Cara lukis kalau Sakura boleh buat tutorial, Sakura buat. Tapi Sakura tak lah ada masa ke tak. Kalau ada nanti Sakura maklumkan, okay?
Sini ke?
Oh, dah jumpa dah?
Ke atas.
Oh. Lapar lah. Thank you Hadi for the like. Thank you. Thank you tau bagi suggestion tadi. It's okay. It's not your fault pun recommend tadi. It's my fault sebab tak habiskan.
Jom.
See? Aku mayo mau.
Oh, apa? Thank you. Jom.
Aku tertidur. Tak apa Kenji. It's okay. Yeah, jom.
Sini kot.
All good. Okay.
Siang dia sedih.
Ya, dia sedih. Wait, mak. Radio je. Oh, baca je!
We played this game before. Awak lupa
Lupa!
Jangan lupa.
Aduh. Kelabu I see.
Sini. Awak. Come back.
Find the right code. Oh, okay. Ada 676.
676 sekejap.
Where am I? I don't remember coming here. This is weird. It's way too quiet. This place. Something's off.
Oh, baby.
It's not real.
Bukan eh?
Is someone there?
Yep. Betul lah.
Oh,
Jom.
okay, nice. Di sini ya?
Jom. Agaknya lah.
Sini ke?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Hello, morning. Hello, Kak Seha. Kat stage ni kena kerja tau. Yelah. Tak apa, tak apa. Kita orang enjoy je. Bukan lah. Rasanya betul lah tadi. Tadi kena cari pintu ke. Ya. Yeah, dari new. Yeah, thank you, Kenji. Tu depan tu. Pintu depan tu.
Oh.
Voice je.
Oh.
Mak kau. Okay. Ya Allah. Alamak, lagging ke? Tak apa, Kenji. Nanti saya akan hantar kat YouTube ni. Ya, tak apa. Live ni tak lag. Hello, Fiz. Lajunya awak. Game apa tu, Ophelia? Sikit lagi. Saya yang masa depan. Oh no. Sudah.
Yay.
Baru start kawan-kawan. Baru start. Dah tumbang. Damn. Sudah. Yeay, saya di lantai.
No.
Spinning round and raining. I'm sorry awak.
No. Jangan awak.
Ya. Hai Kak, apa jadi?
Dia mati.
POV lantai. Kata ulang balik. Oh, I see. Kalau awak mati, kita ulang balik.
Oh.
Tak apa. Teruskan je.
Okay. Dah.
You look scared.
Yay.
You have these dreams coming over you, you know? You will feel better once everything
I'm
is
okay.
over. You will become
Yo, hear me
Kan
out.
tadi.
I'll come back to
Hey.
see you once
Hear me
you're
out.
ready.
Tadi tekan. Alah, hai. Tak tekan. Kenapa kau sakit hati tadi?
Ya, awak.
Dah prepare tekan siap-siap. Dia tak detect. Okay. Cari baju. Okay, take care Kenji. Sekejap kita fokus game. Masuk van.
There was this woman. I remember her face now. It was horrifying. Her smile too wide. Her eyes black, empty. She grabbed me. I couldn't move. I couldn't scream. But now that I'm awake, did she do something to me?
Weh. Okay. Press all button. Okay. Bunyi apa tu? Okay, tak apa-apa sini. Okay, ada satu button kat sini.
Right.
You shouldn't be here, all alone. I know you're out there somewhere.
Okay. Okay.
My name is Sparko, and you tell me. Come closer. Don't be afraid.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
Yeah, she's not afraid. She's just slow.
Hey! Huh? Oh shoot.
Rebutan lagi.
I heard you oof. Saya dengar awak oof.
And you tell me.
Just 2 more buttons. You too?
Yeah.
One left.
Okay. If I'm not mistaken, it should be here.
Don't be afraid.
It's not here. Oh my god.
Hey, 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 hey!
Okay. Okay. Tak ada tidur-tidur lah. Mana ada tidur?
Hey!
Mak!
No!
Oh my god. Ya ada, ya. Benda dah lama dah. Dia masa ikut. Ha?
Oh my.
Bila masa? Ya Allah, ya Tuhanku. Tak adalah. Tak ada. Jangan mention ada streamers, okay? Bila masa Sakura ikut? Semua orang
apa
ada
tu?
diorang punya tu. Ada kita punya
Behave
sendiri.
in the stream. Maaf
Ya.
dia jap. Ish. Macam
Mana tu? Semangat sikit cari tu diam. Mana lagi satu?
My name is Sparko, and you tell me.
Padahal apa tu Popcat ni lama dah sebenarnya. Popcat ni lama dah. Benda ni viral banyak dah Popcat. So tak ada nak ikut-ikut, okay?
Yeah, Pocket has been around for years, bro.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Okay, I see. Okay, jumpa. Okay, done.
Yeah.
What surprise? What surprise? Okay, situ. Easy game. Ya, easy je. Merpati. Easy je. Okay, where is it? Oh my god, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Digoreng, ya. Kak Zeha. Damn. Ni apa ni?
Mana tahu? Oh, yang
Oh. Blue fuse. Okay.
I found blue fuse.
Mak. Okay. Sakit Ruby. Sakit. Ash. Mana siap? Happy stabbing member. Pusing tak ada apa-apa pun. Oh, dah jumpa biru eh?
Dia tinggal merah dengan kuning je.
Okay. Oh my god.
Dia duit.
Okay, tengah cari. Memang. This is blue. No.
Oh, tembak.
I can't see, okay.
Yellow fuse. I found it.
Okay. What the heck? Memang. Halo. Bye-bye.
No.
Bye-bye. Kenapa? Damn. Sebab saya lari ke? Kenapa dia detect ah? Apa dia asyik nak target saya?
Buat comel kot?
Ya. Yalah sebab tu. Lapar ni. Sebab dia suka bau Sakura. Damn.
Oh no. Are you for real?
Oh, I saw a rat. I found rat. Okay.
Nice.
Go back.
But don't worry about that ghost. It's chasing me right now.
Okay. Okay, nice.
Where am I supposed to
Tinggal coding je.
go? Help! I don't know where to go.
Oh no, where are you?
I don't know.
Jauh dah
Ngantuk kat
dekat je.
belakang lagi. Bro.
Halo Soci, halo.
I lost it.
Oh no,
I'm sorry.
I see. It's okay, it's okay.
I have to go.
It's okay, tak apa. Ni cari juga ni. Memang. Oh, ya.
Memang tak ada lelaki seperti aku, tapi yang lebih baik.
Bye.
Memang.
Oh, light.
What? Oh no. Come on, man. Oh my god, I hate this.
Memang lah. Memang. Aha. Dia pergi situ lah, saya kat situ lah. Dia mesti kat depan lagi. Sebab kat sini dah. Memanglah. Ih, penatlah macam ni. Ada job lagi? Boleh je bagi.
Ada kerja aku ke.
Masuk.
Awak cepat.
Sih. Hantu tu dia dah tua, Sakura teman dia tak nak. Saya tak nak. Berapa kali lalu ni? Kita ni berdua dah cepat lupa. Kita tak tahu kita dah lalu. Belah cepat jauh!
You're so ass in this game.
Ya.
Ni kot.
Nangis. Halo Nebula, halo.
I found it. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yay, all 3 keys now.
Alhamdulillah. Ya Allah.
Now let's find all monitors and turn them on.
Yeah, let's go. Iyo. Saya tak kisah. Sebaik sempat. Berapa lama ni live? Berapa lama dah entahlah. Habis chapter 1 ni cukup lah.
Ya.
Ya. Okay, pergi sana pula.
Hi. Oh no.
Daun-daun apa yang sedap? Daun kari.
Hah?
Sedaplah. Ada. Suka hati je daun kari. Alah, habis tu jawapan dia apa? Ada chat tanya. Daun apa yang sedap?
I don't know, I'm not Jira.
Sikit please!
Oh, to go. Come on. You can do it.
Depan mata dah ni. Donate. Kenapa donate? Ah, donate. Itu ke jawapan dia? Donat. Okay, donat I see. Why donat tu?
2 to go. 2 to go.
Okay. Dia asyik pergi ke situ je. Di tempat lain tak boleh.
Tinggi awak tu.
Ya, pergi. Dia ni. West lah ini hantu. Sorok belakang ni boleh? Sorok belakang ni. Awak! Dia dah nampak dalam awak kan?
Awak lah. Sorry.
Saya dah sorok lah ni. Kau balik je bang! Nampak je. Tapi kena sorok dulu daripada si hantu ni. Ya, tak apa. It's okay awak. It's okay.
I'll bagi and then let me restart him, okay? Yep.
Okay.
Jangan ikut sini. Orang cakap dapat distract.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. What the?
Kenapa?
Don't come here. Tak apa. Okay dah. Satu lagi.
Bruh.
Perjuangan Fletcher akan ku kenang. Ya. Masalahnya yang matinya Sakura. Ya. Sana. I think it's there.
You got me.
Oh shoot. Okay. I found the last one. Janganlah.
Nice.
Janganlah spawn. Okay, I'm done. I can die in peace. Where are you?
No.
Yeah. Okay dah, yay. What is this?
You.
Hello, Kin.
Hey, makcik.
Majlis aku ada art menanti. Alamak. Okay.
Oh.
Boleh je. Ya. Speedrun. Mak kau speedrun? Apa? Ya, main balik game ni. Let's go. Yeah, beda!
Dah habis.
Yeah. W. Dapat 150, banyak tu. Boleh beli apa-apa tak?
Mm-mm.
Sambung chapter 2. Nah, tak apalah dah. Pukul 7 dah ni, Kin. Nanti kita sambung. Kau nak speed kan?
Ada game lagi. Ada game lagi nak main?
Nak chapter 2 ke? Nak tunjuk diorang chapter 2 ke?
Mana?
Damn! Okay. Lambatnya lobby.
Keluar je. Ataupun nak main yang RV Chaos tu.
Ya, sure. RV Chaos tu agak lama juga.
Kan?
Ya. Kau nak main yang kita main 2 orang tu? Yang kita main semalam kan? Apa tu nama game tu?
Yang masih Chaos ke?
Nak Anchored.
Oh, itu ke? Let's go.
Last ni last game before we end. Masuk lah. Ya, dah
Okay.
review game. Ya. To Granby tu game old. I see. Nanti kita orang buat chapter 2, chapter 3, okay? Hello. Mana awak? Tu.
Let's go. Gimana? Ingat kalau nampak drone tu dah habis sebab dia ada aimbot. Sekali nampak awak,
Okay.
untuk you. And I was sana. And kalau ada rak yang kosong tu, just hide behind it. It's okay. Walaupun dia kosong, you can still use it to hide.
I see. Okay. Ni game Anchored. Ya.
Yeah, it's a new game. It's in alpha.
Game Anchored. Ya. Semua tanya game apa.
Dia bukan horror game tau. Bukan horror game.
Ya,
But
ni bukan
it's a good
horror
one.
game. Kita chill.
Awak skip?
Ya, ni last game.
Sampai
Nak habis
ke?
dah ni. Mak kau. Tadi tu ada ni. Toilet break tadi tu lah. Bau cakap. Bimbang dah. Okay, nampak.
Bro.
Kat sini ada rambut. Ayo. Sekejap. Jangan fokus game. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ya. Macam fokus. Ya. Ya, boleh jamin. This game is cute and peak. Korang boleh main. Oh, mak kau sikit lagi.
Oh no. Nice.
Ya. I can see ada lagi kat sana. Okay, sekejap.
That's just one.
Okay. I found it.
Nice.
Ya. Yang nak solat lagi solat dulu, okay?
Try again.
Aduh salah. Ash.
That's a setback.
Damn it.
You can do it. Jangan sing. It's okay. I got you.
That went correctly.
Okay.
That went correctly.
Sabarlah. Nak tekan. Barai sangat ni.
Boleh ke tu?
Boleh.
Tak nafas. Calm down. You can do it. Jangan juga ya.
32742. Okay. 32742. 32742.
Nice.
Okay, done. Done. Okay.
Orang itu ke?
Mana-mana pun tak apa.
Alright.
Helping heart ke?
Every
help.
step closer to the core. Stay focused.
Hello, Adam. Hello. Okay, we're gonna use this. Open di sini. Okay, guys. Shoot.
Wasting time.
Okay, nampak dah. Okay. Sini tak ada. Mana kena pergi sana? Nice.
Yeah. Ada benda tu. Oh, thank you.
Ya, benda tu berjaya.
You got this.
You're wasting time.
Want to go?
Okay.
That's on you.
Ada barang. Careful, boys. Coming your way.
Okay.
And now I'm resetting it.
Okay. Mana tau tadi? Aduh. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you semua. Nanti live ni masuk dalam YouTube, okay?
Focus or fail. Failure won't cut it. Try again.
Can you help me? I'm having...
Apa dulu?
Oh no. Oh, last game. Nyawa tak okay. Okay.
Okay.
Can you help me? Nyawa saya tak okay.
Ah.
Sini.
Ah, betul ke? Dah jom. Siapa awak?
Yeah.
You are best lah.
Sakura. Yeah. I did my best. Yeah. Sakura mati dah habis
This floor isn't gonna make it easy for you. Watch your back.
Of course tak easy. Tengok lama nyawa. Okay. Mak. Mak. Okay. No. Sini. Ini. Tak. No. No. Naik dah. Drone.
Oh no, you doing ke?
I was close. No.
Kat sini.
Okay.
Jom, cepat.
Okay. Tu kan. Oh, ya ke? Oh, okay. Sekejap Tujuh, enam, lima, empat, tiga, dua, satu.
Nicely done.
Not here. Okay, nice. Lagi satu. Hello, Ruby. Yeah. Tak apa. It's okay. Aduh. Awak jumpa yang last ke?
Nope.
Okay. Besok mungkin dalam santai je kot. Kalau dapat nak buat burger kat YouTube. Kalau dapat kalau dapat. Allah, sakit.
Oh, kat situ ke?
Oh, sini. Okay.
Oh.
Get it together.
Yang ni last round lah. I need to go.
Baik.
Nak kena pergi mamak.
Oh no, alright.
Okay. Tujuh, 945. Sakit dah. Aduh. Tak bantu. Tak bantu distract. Tak bantu. Damn it.
Dia dah lock tu. I can't help.
Oh. It's okay. Tak ada apa. Nak siap dah ni. 1, 2.
Good.
Okay, done.
Keep moving.
Burger lah. Nanti insyaAllah nanti
Bye-bye.
nak main burger kat YouTube. Ya.
What?
Thank you semua.
So,
Esok lah. Esok.
Rebels finally found me. Good.
Ya,
Back
ni.
off!
What the heck?
Hey, come closer. Come closer.
You're making me mess up. Are you trying to mess me up?
Yes.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
You trying to break something?
Yes.
Seriously? Step back.
You
trying to break something? You trying to mess me up?
Yeah, bye.
Okay, dah.
What?
Ni, duduk sebelah.
Okay.
Thank you korang for joining. Autocorrect. Ya,
Thanks
tutup
for
autocorrect
watching.
tu. Iya, thank you for watching semua. I'm sorry kalau ada salah silap sebab banyak juga kekurangan hari ni. Aduh.
I'm sorry for my
teruslah
mistake.
kot. Ya, it's okay.
Off you go. See you soon.
Ya.
If you make
Thank you
it.
semua. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Salah tekan. Damn. Sorry. Bukan starting soon. Sabar. Damn. Sekejap. Okay. Bye.